Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discuss with you FuelSync Plug-and-Play Fuel Saver OBD2 device review. So you might be wondering, what is FuelSync here? So FuelSync Plug-and-Play Fuel Saver is a OBD2 plug-in device designed to connect to your vehicle's OBD2 diagnostic port, and is marketed as a way to improve fuel efficiency, engine performance, throttle response, and according to the Fish website, it is compatible with most modern vehicles equipped with an OBD2 port. It requires no tools or apps and installs in less than a minute. According to the manufacturer, FuelSync works by connecting to your vehicle's engine control unit (ECU) through the OBD2 port. Now, the company claims the device monitors data such as fuel usage, throttle position, engine load, and driving conditions. Then applies an optimization profile that adapts to your driving habits over time, and it helps reduce fuel consumption and improve engine smoothness. Now, to use FuelSync here, you want to park the vehicle and turn off the engine. Locate the LBD2 port, which is typically underneath the dashboard. Plug the device firmly into the port. Start the engine and drive normally. The manufacturer recommends leaving the device connected continuously so it can adapt to your vehicle's or your driving style over several trips. No additional setup, software, or subscription is required according to them. Fish website advertises features such as plug-and-play installation, automatic ECU communication, compatible with most OBD2 equipped vehicle, no permanent vehicle modification, free worldwide shipping, and a 60-day money-back guarantee. Pricing is currently listed at around $29.75, although promotions may change over time here, so you may need to visit their website. So that's essentially what FuelSync is. Now, if you're interested with this product here, it is recommended that you do your own research by checking reviews and information from sources outside the Fish website to just make sure that you're getting most out of your money, especially with these type of products. But then again, this applies for anything that you're trying to buy online. But that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.